Hi guys, so first day namin ngayon sa Singapore and ito yung dinner namin. Parang gano'n siya, parang ihaw-ihaw type barbecue. 9:44 na, so nag-bus ka punta dito. Hindi namin alam yung bus, sumakay lang kami bigla, tapos nag-google map. Isang bus lang yun, parang isang terminal lang yung naisapan nila. Tapos naglakad-lakad doon. So kita namin to, tapos dito lang ka pumasok. So hindi ko alam if narinig nyo kasi mainit talaga dito.
To see the faces of babies too. Don't cry when they lie dead. I say damn you, I sneeze on you.
It's not what it looks like. It is what it is. You play the fool and don't see how simple it is. How simple it is. I'm seeing you now. It's not what it looks like. It is what it is. You play the fool and don't see how simple it is. How simple it is. How simple it is.
Sikat na ay juice atas yung parang orange vending machine juice. Okay, taste test. Sige, anong lasa niya?
Lasang orange.
Lasang orange juice po ito,
ano?
guys. Lasang orange, like freshly made orange. Wala nga lang sugar or anything. So, umupo-upo muna kami kasi mamaya na kami masakay ng ride since maulan pa naman. Kanina pala, may binili kami sa convenience store na mga fruits and bread kasi nabudol kami. Pumili kami ng strawberry. This is $7 original price niya. And yung nabili namin is for $4 sa lang. And bumili din kami nitong blueberries. And also is raspberry. Yung unang croissant is itong chocolate cream filling na flavor. And itong buttercream filling. And ito yung sa akin, vanilla. So yung take order ko kanina is yung fried rice with pork katsu and 10/10. Yun yung pinakamasarap kapag tayo yung tikman ko sa Singapore. Like, super sarap niya. Yung kinain ng pare-paras kami na fried rice with pork katsu, $16. Pero sulit naman. Like, super sarap. Must try this when you're going to Universal Studio. And this $5 Coca-Cola na napakaraming yellow. Ano na?
Anyway,
To taste test the sushi that's cost $19. I'm going to use chopstick. It comes with this sauce and this wasabi. Kasi pag nakain mo, wala ka nang masasabi. Itong nakain ko, so itong black na nakain ko, ano siya, yung loob niya tuna, and masarap. Itong orange naman. Ang gusto ko tong orange, kasi yung, itong parang may black. Ano siya, like tuna lang siya, pero ito kasi may, parang may cucumber ata siya, and itong parang fish, kasi medyo malangsa yung lasa niya. So we're here at KFC sa Vivo City. Katapos wala lang mag-Universal Studios. It's already 8 p.m. na. And it's late dinner. So, nag-order lang ako nito ng 1-piece Royal Chicken. And akala ko nito sa picture kanin. Salad pala. Coleslaw. Alam ko salad siya, pero kasi sa picture para siyang kanin. Guys, sa McDo, KFC, wala silang rice. Taste that. Something super crunch siya na mga nadig, sa mandig pa ganaan. Tapos nakita. Sarap niya. For real. Kasi walang rush, walang problem. So, di na kami makakapunta pa ng Chinatown and Gardens by the Bay kasi late na and yung bus dito kasi hanggang 10 p.m. lang. So, dito lang kami mag-shopping na sa Vivo City. And may binili pa lang kami kanina sa H&M. Mga damit, ang dami. Nabudol kami ng H&M. Masarap siya. Very fresh na fresh lasa niya. Hi guys, so dito pa rin kami sa Lucky Plaza and magla-lunch na kami since mag-alas 12 na. Eh marami ditong mga Pinoy pala sa Lucky Plaza kasi nabilhan ko ng damit. Tinanong ko siya like, how much for this stuff? And sinagot na ako ng Filipino, so like, galing niya magkilatis. Madaming kainan dito sa first floor lang atas ng Lucky Plaza. And may mga lutong Pinoy dito, may rin ditong Jollibee. Kasi mostly yung restaurant dito, like yung McDo, yung KFC, wala silang rice. So dito, mabuti lang may rice agad sila dito. So kumain ng lutong Pinoy or baka mag-Chinese vegetable rice ako. Ang dami na pinamili. Hindi ko alam papanuhin namin ito pagkakasayin sa hand carry namin. Sana kumatsa sa luggage ko. Monica. Si Luis nag-order siya ng Jollibee. Nag-Jollibee ka?
Tagalog si Ante.
Tagalog. Pinoy. Sino yung cashier? Can I have that one? This one chicken breast. Yeah. 2 meat and 1 vegetable. That an orange, something like that. What is this? Oh, I don't know.
Fancy.
That's mo lang yun. So So, Monica and I got Chinese vegetable for lunch. So, hindi ko alam anong name. Turo lang ako. And this is only for $5.30. Ang mura lang. And still kami ng in-order. Let's taste test. Yun na muna para siyang chop suey. Sarap. Ayaw niya ng gulay. Akin na lang daw. I need rice for this. Kulang ang rice ko. And tikman ko naman to. Hindi ko alam para siyang kinemeb. Hindi ko alam talaga ng pangalan nito. Ito lang talaga ako.
Tomat. Tomat ba sa Facebook? Mawag yan sila. Dito paling-paling ng mga bomba.
Parang lechong kawala yung lasa niya. Sarap ha. Naman next. Hindi ko lang ito alam kung basta orange lang siya. May crunchy. Kunyagat mo. This meal is a 10 out of 10.
Talaga niya yung udungan.
Sulit na. We hit ABC Boogie Street and then we just had to try this. Ice cream for $1. It's super vanilla. Very smooth. Yung lasa niya very milk. So what can I order this venti pink drink with 2 pumps of vanilla?
Maybe out of
This-
drink because we don't have the coconut
You
milk.
don't have
We don't
pink
have
drink?
the for now.
Oh, okay. You have matcha? Okay. Ay, sorry. Can I have this venti vanilla iced matcha latte with almond milk, 4 pumps brown sugar syrup, and
We
sweet
don't
cream?
have brown sugar.
Okay.
Oatmeal okay with it?
Yan?
Oatmeal okay with it?
Ay, okay. So we're here at Tangi Terminal 4. My first time trying Starbucks. Let's try this if it's really worth it. The $10. Ante mapait. Kasi nag-order kasi ako ng dapat should be brown sugar, like almond, chu na nakita ko lang sa Pinterest. Pero wala daw sila wala silang pink drink. So kung ano nakita ko, order ko. Wait lang, ante mapait. Kailangan kong nahahalta tayo dito. Kape. May sugar syrup.
Sira.
Yeah.
Nata-add pumps ka daw?
No, nasa ano lang, sa may gilid lang ng upuan.
Then,